It's Lauriane Amy, c'est Lauriane Aimée. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. We're back here again with another voiceover. So this is a quick voiceover of my leave out from hell. As you can see, it snatched off all of my edges. So I did a leave out whilst I was in Dubai. I left out a little bit of my natural hair so I could have like a blended natural vibe look going on. I feel like a lot of the girls on Instagram and TikTok, they don't talk about the struggles of having a leave out. This was literally a leave out from hell. It was so stressful in Dubai trying to deal with my natural hair and blending it in like with my weave. So I decided to do like a quick tutorial of how I was able to manage this damaged hair whilst I was in Dubai. Well, I damaged it because I kept straightening it and doing all of the things. So start off with combing out my hair, my damaged hair. Like, I'm looking back at this video and I'm crying for my edges, but I started it off by combing it and sectioning the hair into partings, like little partings, so that I could straighten it. So I straighten each part of my hair so that it's completely dead straight, just to prep it for the curling stage of my hair. So I go on straightening every single part of my hair, making sure like it's all dead straight. Guys, I did this every single day. My hair was completely damaged. So that's just a little disclaimer. If you've got natural hair, then I don't know, relax it, or I don't know, but just be prepared for the heat damage. But every single day I was doing this to my hair. Then I brush it out. Ooh, brushing out all my natural hair. And then yeah, that's how it looks. Oh my god, my edges. But yeah, it just basically has to be very, very straight to prep it. Then go on to use Ebin. Thank God for my friend. She had Ebin whilst we're on the trip. I didn't even think I was going to need this. So I literally sprayed the Ebin all over the edges that I have remaining left on my hair. Guys, that Dubai heat is not nice to natural hair. Like, my hair kept going puffy, but this is the best way that I could basically have my hair, just for it to blend in with my weave. So I use the edge brush. Keep brushing your hair back, your natural hair back. Brush it back with a blow dryer, and I put it on a cool air. So it will look something like this. Keep brushing it back. Use your blow dryer. Use the edge brush. Brush it back. This is a very important stage. Make sure you do this stage very well, because it will give it like the clean finish at the end. So just brush it back. Keep using the blow dryer and make sure it's completely dry. Look at my edges, all gone. Honestly guys, I hate the way how the online girls lie to us. It's not easy having the whole leave out. It's like with black girls, there's no winning with our hair, to be honest. Every single hairstyle is a struggle. Like when I was in Dubai, I wished that my biggest struggle was that my lace keeps lifting, but no, I was stuck with this. Then I use a band. You know the bands that you use for wigs and stuff to lay your lace. I use that. That way it could create basically like a dent. You know how wigs create like a dent on your hair? You'll see it more at the end. But yeah, you place it where you've basically put the Ebin and put it really, really tight. Start to undo your hair. Lay your hair down. Yeah. So this is how crazy is looking, the straight and the curly. We're going to try and bring them two together. Place the band properly on your head, please. Properly. So look, I'm just bringing it back because I realized that it wasn't properly on my head. This little trick is to create that kind of like dent, you know, the hot comb dent effect. You guys will see it more at the end. Yeah, make sure that none of your hair is stuck in it. Just take it all out. Now we're going to actually start the curling process of where you take, this is the trick. This is what saved me. My friend actually saved me with this because she does hair. So you take a bit of the weave, right? And you take a bit of your natural hair together, yeah? Make sure they are together. You guys will see the magic. You'll see the magic. Brush it together, okay? Together. That's the trick, together. Now, take your curlers or your thin straightening wand and literally together curl it together, just like how I'm doing it. This is an extremely important step. Don't miss this step. And then you literally like leave it like that for a couple of minutes. Make sure that straightener or curling wand is high on heat. It needs to be high on heat, and leave it like that for a while. I'm telling you guys, this is what saved me. Then uncurl it slowly. And look, bam, look at that curl. Look at that curl. It looks so good. No, I'm so happy. It looks so good. It looks amazing. This is how it needs to look. And then I used, I don't know what this is called, but the curling thing. Okay? The curling thing. I need to find out the name. It's a curling rod. Yeah, so I used a curling rod. I got these from Primark. I took the small size, and if I'm honest guys, I actually don't know how to use it. I literally just try to curl it again and then just try and tie it up one way so the curls don't move. Okay, so that's my little dance for you guys, and I just continue to do this throughout my whole hair, like I did it everywhere, just using the straighteners on a really high heat, taking my natural hair, taking the weave and using the curling rod and curling it together. And then with the front part, just make sure you curl it in the way you want your hair to fall, because it's very important, because I wanted my hair to kind of like fall near my eyebrow to my eyes. I don't know how to explain it. It depends on if you want your hair to fall from the back, or do you want your hair to kind of be like a side part in, or, you know, so curl it in the direction like you basically want your hair to fall in a sense. So this is me doing my front part again. It makes more sense looking at it. I'm sorry guys, trying to explain it to you properly. Leave it for a long time. And then yeah, so I've literally done all of my hair. I literally did the whole of my head. And now I'm letting my hair down. This part is now about revamping the actual weave. I'm so happy guys, because it's going amazing. I used the Cantu hair curler, and I will literally squeeze a generous amount. Squeeze. That's how much I put just for the first round. And I'll put some water on it. I literally put water on it and I mix it together on my hands like that, and I just apply it on my hair straight away. Okay? From the top to the bottom, top to the bottom. Yeah, really get that product inside. And look at the hair. It looks very nice. Again, do the same thing again, the same amount again. Put some water on there. Again, from the top to the bottom. Please make sure it doesn't touch your natural hair. Don't let it touch your natural hair, or your hair will puff up. You don't want that. like that. So this is how I have it. I don't drench it too much with water because I want it to blend in with my natural hair. It depends on how your hair is like, how your hair texture is like. I wanted the weave to still kind of have that puffy type of vibe because that's how my natural hair is. So just like that, and I just applied a little bit more water. And then I brush out from the bottom going to the top because I still want it to kind of have that puffy effect. I don't want it to be too flat. It needs to have volume because my natural hair, it does have a lot of volume, and the blend needs to be seamless. So yeah, just touching the top of it, but not my natural hair. Then we're going on to remove the curling rods. Just untwist it, untwist, 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 untwist. And then that's how it looks. And look at it against the weave. Look at it against the weave. It looks amazing. Like, look at that blend. Look at the blend. Again, doing the same thing with the pink rod. Untwist, untwist, untwist. Look, bam. Look at that. Look at that. And that's also because I blended my natural hair with a bit of the weave. So it just looks amazing. And just keep doing that. Untwist, 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 untwist. Bam. Look at that. So beautiful. And continue doing that till you reach the end of your hair, obviously. And then this is one of, like, you know, this part decides on how my parting is going to look. So try be gentle with this part as well. Untwist, 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 untwist. And look at that. And then that literally, just that strand, it really like puts a huge impact on like how my parting is gonna look. But look at my hair, guys. It looks really good in terms of like the blend. You take off the band. Sorry, I had to breathe, but it looks really good. It has that dent. It has the, you know what I'm looking for. I'm so happy. I did a great job. Like, and then you kind of just run your fingers through your hair, but slowly, okay? Slowly. Look at that. Look at the dent. Look, and then I'm just gonna decide on how I want my parting. Just like that. Just slowly. Be careful. Slowly run your fingers through it and decide where you want your parting. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. When I tell you guys, I did so much trial and error in Dubai just to try and find out which way will be the best way for my hair. But look at that. So beautiful. I'm so happy with it. Then you use the hot comb. Make sure that hot comb has been on from the beginning, please. And do the dent. You know how you did the dent with the wig band? You have to create also a dent. So you just curl it like that. Pow, 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 pow. I'm so happy. It looks beautiful. Like that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then you can like hot comb the top a little bit as well. Yes. Like that. Look at what the hot comb did. It created that, like, you know, that wig dent effect that we want, we're looking for. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm feeling myself too much. And that's it, guys. I look beautiful. Natural beauty, skin on fleek, hair laid. She's a 10 out of 10. My, L'Oreal. My. Aren't you a salt? Nobody can chat for you, girl. You got it. 10 out of 10. 10s across the board. I can't take myself seriously. But yeah, that's what I did. Chef kiss, beautiful. And there are some pictures for you guys. I love you. Bye. Good luck with your leave out.